The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5, ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Ipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5, ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
Or good afternoon, nagbabalik po kami. I am Christina Cazareas and with me is LA Lapid for the second match of this Saturday matchup. It's the NPS Saints versus the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, LA, panibagong aksyon na naman po ang ating matutunghayan dito sa loob ng ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium.
We are also live at One Media TV 48 NAGA Bucal Facebook page at sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. At ngayon, aabangan ang key players for the Annunciation Panthers, si Detisio. At sa side naman ng NPS Saints, we have Pacifico and Batangas who have been putting up a lot of points during their previous games. And also, remaining game of the NPS Saints and the Annunciation Panthers who will advance to the quarterfinals. Makikita natin yan dito sa bakbakan ng NPS Saints at Annunciation Panthers.
Ayan nga, LA, kanina nga po, nanalo muli ang ating ACC Green Serpents sa ating juniors basketball at uuwi silang 5-0. Napakagandang record po ang naigawa nila dito sa ating elimination round ng Bucal Season 5.
At syempre partner, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Havaianas, Bigs at Elite Sportswear. We also have the NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions, Gold Glove Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience, Home Living, Anjena Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEG Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings.
We also have Mangkok's Kinalas, Converge ICT Solution, Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Nagayon Travel and Tours, and CFV Gallery and Museum, Hulye Outdoor at the SM City Naga. Now, jump ball for these two teams. First ball possession na pupunta sa ating Panthers.
Panthers now on the offense. Number 10, Jestre for a two-pointer. That's good for the Panthers.
A great way to start our first quarter. Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. Now, jersey number 2 passes to 3. Now, grabbing defense po. Nakikita natin dito on the side of the Annunciation Panther. Now, Batangas passes to Bermejo. Back to Batangas now. 10 seconds to shoot here. Morales passes to jersey number 3. In and out ball. Now still ball possession of the NPS Saints. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mabilisan. No good pa rin.
Ball possession ng Annunciation Panthers. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Hi Lois, anong balita natin dyan?
Magbabalikan po natin mamaya si Lois. But now, Bunzo on the side of the Panthers. No good. Pero stepping on the line ang naitawag dyan sa isa sa mga players ng Panthers na ball possession of the NPS Saints. Morales handling the ball.
Now to give us an update sa side ng Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin si Lois. Hi Lois, anong balita natin dyan?
Good afternoon, TN and LA, and hello, Bucal. We are only a few days away from the quarterfinals. The teams are more eager than ever, and the fans are far from exhilarated to witness their team's journey. This is Lois Papa on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, reporting live via Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. The Annunciation Junior Panthers are ready to show their fangs and show everything they've got to secure their spot in the quarterfinals. A fierce and strong competition. That is what the Panthers have for us today, and that is their key to bag another win for this season. So stay tuned at One Media TV 48 NAGA and the Bucal Facebook page to witness the rivalry between the Annunciation Panthers and the NPS Saints. That is all, and back to you, LA and team.
Thank you so much, Lois. Ayan nga, handang-handa ngayon ang ating Annunciation Panthers to snatch the win against the NPS Saints. Ngayon nga, lamang po dito ang ating Panthers, 2-0 nothing run. Now,
especially, they know what is at stake here. It is a spot in the quarterfinals, the knockout stages. At para malaman din natin, if one of the teams can dethrone the current defending champions, the NCF Cubs. Now, para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NPS Saints, tawagin natin si Zai. Hi Zai, ano balita natin dyan?
A pleasant day to you, LANTN, and our viewers here on Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 NAGA. This is your courtside reporter Zai Meniano, live at the ADNU de NAGA Gymnasium, bringing you fresh updates from the bench of the NAGA Parochial Saints. They are not really sure if they will manage to make a win today, but they just want to express their gratitude and how grateful they are to be here, and they will do their best to provide an exciting gameplay. Let's watch them bounce back sa loob ng court dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, yung gusto na lamang dito ngayon ng ating NPS Saints is just to give an exciting game against their opponent. Of course, we are really happy to see the NPS Saints here at the Bucal Season 5. They're really trying their best to commit or to give their fans a win. Pero meron pa tayong next season, still a good fight na ibinibigay dito ng ating NPS Saints.
Now back to the ball game. Jersey number 24 of the Panthers passes to Likup for that 2 points. A 9-0 run here by the Panthers.
Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Batangas with the ball. Passes to Morales. Now to Bermeo. Pero medyo napalakas dyan. Slip through the hands. Napatawag na nga po ng timeout ang ating NPS Saints. 9-0 nothing run. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are still live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 5 first quarter, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Still Panthers leading against the NPS Saints. And quick shoutouts tayo dito. Shoutout to Kyle Santiago, former member of our Bucal Stats team. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok dito sa Bucal Season 5. Now jersey number 19 passes it to the corner, Bunzot. That's good for his 3-pointer.
Now, 12-0 nothing run against the NPS Saints. Now Bermejo. The ball will stay on the side of the NPS Saints, and they have the chance to get a point here. Now, Morales. Handed the ball for the side of the Saints. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Batangas. Now back to Morales. Bermejo now on the inside, but a steal by the side of the Panthers.
Bunzo now rushing to the basket. Extra pass. Jersey number 24. No good. Likup passes to jersey number 28, Bunzo. Pero same ball. Panthers looking to extend their lead early in this first quarter. Likup now passes to Laila. 2 free throws ibibigay dito. Panthers as jersey number 10. Jestre will be shooting 2 free throws. First shot, no good. Both free throws doesn't go in for the Panthers. A nice pick up there by Laila. Bunzo now. Pass to jersey number 24. Diaz will try a pull-up jumper. That's good for Diaz.
Now NPS Saints, Morales. Passes to Mendoza. Napakalakas nun. So a turnover again for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So now napatawag naman ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 14-0 nothing run. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here at ADNU de NAGA University Gymnasium after the timeout called by the Annunciation Panthers. 14-0 run here for the Panthers. 4 minutes and 33 seconds in the first quarter. I think the intention here of the Panthers to call timeout is to fix or to create minor adjustments, especially in their defensive stops. Na dito heavily pressured na dito ang NPS Saints. And now jersey 19 of the Panthers on the offense. Bunzo passes to Herrera. No good there. Offensive rebound by Likop. Laila for 3. No good. Saints now on the offense.
Now Morales handling the ball for the Saints. 19 seconds to shoot here. Still, hindi pa rin sila nakakaputo sa ating first quarter. Bermejo now. Passes. No good.
Defensive rebound by Herrera. Long pass to jersey number 19. That's good.
16 points. Biggest lead on our first quarter. Parma passes to Bermejo, but a steal by the Panthers.
Bunzo, layup. It's good. 2-digit lead here.
No. Still ball possession of the NPS Saints. Parma to inbound. 18-0, nothing run po dito sa pag-umpisa ng ating laban. 3 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Now Parma handling the ball for the Saints. 17 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here, Bermejo. But there was a whistled foul there. Free throw line ang aabang dyan kay Bermejo. So this is the chance for the NPS Saints to get a point here by making a point on the free throw line. Now Bermejo. That's good for his first attempt. He will try again for the second time. That's good. First 2 basket of the NPS Saints.
Jersey number 19 now, Laila. Long pass to Likop. Extra pass to Bulacan. 2-pointer there for Bulacan.
No, Bermejo passes to Pacifico. Back to Bermejo now. On the quarter, Parma. Mid-range jumper. That's good.
Panthers now on the offense. Laila. Guarded here by Morales. Bulacan gets that ball. Inside pass. Intercepted there by the Saints.
Now Parma have the chance to get a point again for the NPS Saints. As they're now 24 Morales passes to Batangas. Batangas tries for that deep 3. First 3 para dito sa side ng ating NPS Saints.
Now, the Panthers. Likop. Passes to Bunzo. Guarded by Morales. 2-pointer, no good. Pero offensive rebound. Second chance point by Likop.
Now, NPS Saints, Parma. 19 seconds to shoot here. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Now on the corner. Heavily guarded here. Batangas. In and out ball. Sayang yun.
Bulacan gets that defensive rebound. Laila. Jersey number 11 of the Panthers, no good. Pero Bulacan gets that offensive rebound again. 2-pointer for Bulacan.
A minute and 37 seconds remaining. Batangas passes to Parma. On the corner, Morales, no good. Parma with an offensive rebound. Passes to Batangas. Now Batangas tries for 3. Still no good. Again, for the third time, may kasama pang foul. Bermejo again for a 3-point play dito. 24-9. Bermejo on the free throw line for a bonus point here. A minute and 18 seconds remaining. Now Bermejo for a 3-point play. That's good. A clean basket for him.
Panthers now on the offense. Bunzo passes to Laila. Laila will try floater shot. No good. Panthers still on the offense. Bunzo passes to Likop. Likop's struggling for that. Gets that recovery. Blocked there by the Saints.
That's it. 24 seconds shot clock violation for the side of the Panthers. Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. Now they have the chance to lessen the gap here. Batangas handling the ball. Last 47 seconds of our first quarter. Batangas passes to Bermejo. Now to Parma. A great pass now. Pakaganda nun. Combination play of Parma and Batangas.
Laila now of the Panthers.
If the
17
Saints
seconds to shoot. Guerrero. Guarded by Pacifico. Double team there.
Wow. Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Napakaganda ng pinapakita nilang laro dito. Now, turnover for the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Pero napakaganda ng last sequence nitong Parma at Batangas. If they just being consistent with the play, napakagandang laban sana yung may papakita nila ngayon. Now, last 11 seconds.
What will the Panthers have to do here? Bulacan. Pass to the outside man. Laila goes inside. Floater shot. That's good.
That's it. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. 2-6 to off in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. We will be back for more action. Second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here inside the ADNU de NAGA University Gymnasium for your second quarter. Panthers still in the lead, 26 against 12 in favor of the Panthers. Ball possession of the Saints.
Now Parma to inbound. 26-12. Parma handling the ball. 20 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Batangas, back to Parma. Now Bermejo. What will the NPS Saints do? Munti ka na mawala ang bola. But too strong. Last touch dyan ng ating NAGA Panthers, so the ball will stay on the side of the NPS Saints. 7 seconds to shoot now. Bermejo to inbound. Passes to Pacifico. Slips through the hands.
Detisho, long pass to Puhol, pero miscommunication there. That's gonna be NPS ball.
Now, Batangas, para ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola. 26-12, Parma. Bermejo now. Batangas, pero there's a foul there. Para makahingi naman tayo, LA, ng update all the way from the side of the NPS Saints. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zay. Hi Zay, anong update natin dyan?
LA team, the Saints are doing their best to score and we can witness them form a 2-3 zone defense when their opponent is in the offensive play. Their coaches reminded them to box out immediately whenever they see their opponents beside or behind them. Refrain from being rattled, and they're also opting for a more relaxed, trying to work with each other and adjust their team chemistry inside the court. We can really see how persevering the Saints are, kaya naman let's stay tuned to watch them create an interesting game. Yan lamang updates ko dito sa side ng Saints. Balik sa pana.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. And it's a good reminder that the Saints need to have a 2-3 defense here, since the Panthers really driving inside, and also to the side naman ng Saints, sa offensive side nila, they have to find their open man in order to create open shots, especially very open, yung 3-point line dito. And para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Hi Lois, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Tian and LA. The mighty Panthers are starting the game strong with their good offense. They are leading the tempo in the hard court and setting the play for this game. But despite their advantage, the team is expected to enforce more pressure to taunt their opponent from getting hand of the ball and securing the basket. The eyes of the Panthers are indeed all set on taking home another win for the Annunciation. That is all for the first quarter updates. Back to you, Tin and LA.
Thank you so much, Lois. Ayan nga. It's another win here. So titingnan natin if they can be, or they can give us a good fight here against the NPS Saints. But now, ball possession of the Saints. Morales, 10 seconds to shoot here, but a steal coming from the Panthers.
Detisha now with that layup. It's good.
Now 32-12, a 20-point lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Now Pacifico passes to Bermejo. Now Parma tries for 3. Air ball. Now, but the ball will stay on the side of the NPS Saints here. 14 seconds to shoot now. Substitution para dito sa NPS Saints. 14 seconds. Morales to Bermejo. Still no good. Still by Parma. Now chance to get a point here. Parma on the inside for Morales. Wala pa rin.
Jestre gets that defensive rebound. Long pass to Detisho. Jersey number 16, Tamayo.
Wow.
With that 2-pointer.
Napakaganda nun. Now, that's what we want to see at this moment. A steal again. Ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Detisha now. To inbound the ball, passes it to Tamayo. Miscommunication there. Pero good recovery by Tamayo. Detisha now. Guarded here by jersey number 23 of the Saints. 5 seconds to shoot. Detisha will try a long 3. Doesn't go in. Tipped in by Tamayo.
Now, ball possession ito ng ating NPS Saints, 34-12, 22-point lead ng ADNU Panthers. Now, Parma with the ball. Still, the NPS Saints is just enjoying the game. Now, Norberto. Passes to Morales. Now, Morales, 9 seconds to shoot. Tries for a long three. Misses it.
Defensive rebound by Tamayo. Now jersey number 5 of the Panthers.
Grabe.
Bucal.
Ang ganda ng communication ng ating ADNU Panthers inside the court. And this is what the NPS Saints needed right now. But Parma passes to Morales. More on the offense and the defense side. Itong ating NPS Saints now. Bermejo tries for 3. No good.
Medyo nahihirapan dito on the inside play. Ang Saints as Buhol. Another point for him.
Umaarangkada na nga ang ating Saints, ang ating Panthers dito. Parma. To Morales. Now Morales. Didiretso sa loob for a layup. That's good.
Tamayo passes to Jestre. Jestre passes to the Tisho. Back to Jestre. Great assist. Pero foul doon si Jestre and will be shooting for 2 free throws. Tatawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 14, Parma.
5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter.
First free throw doesn't go in for the Panthers. Jestre will try his second free throw. No good, both free throws, pero offensive rebound by the Panthers. The Tisha gets that 2 points. Tamayo, foul there. Back-to-back fouls here and back-to-back free throws also for the Panthers. Looking to extend their lead in this 5-minute and 18-second mark. 18 seconds mark in the second quarter as he gets that first free throw. No good there. Again, rebound by the Panthers. Jestre to Detisho. Herrera. Extra pass. Pero 3 seconds offensive violation doon ang Panthers.
Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints, 41-14. Morales to Batangas. 5 minutes and 8 seconds now. 20 seconds to shoot here. Batangas taking it slow for the NPS Saints. Passes to Morales. Back to Batangas. Tries for dip 3. That's good. Napakaganda lang kay Batangas.
Detisho, long pass to Puhol. Boarding doesn't go in. Herrera, back to Puhol. Fouled again. Dito ang Panthers and Puhol will be shooting 2 free throws. First free throw, no good for Puhol. Second shot by Puhol, no good. Offensive rebound by Tamayo. Again. Fouled by the Saints. Tatawagan ulit dito si Pacifico ng foul. Here's the number 16, Tamayo, first free throw. That's good. Second shot by Tamayo. That's good, making it a 2 for 2 for him.
Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. Batangas to inbound. 43-17. Napakalaking kalamangan po ngayon. Now, Batangas, a steal by the Panthers. Another point was recorded on their side. Now, NPS Saints again with the ball. Passes to Bermejo. Now to Batangas again. But the ball will go on the side of the Panthers. Miscommunication there. Missed opportunity dito ng NPS Saints.
Very open. Tamayo, long pass there. That's good for Tamayo.
Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. It was a foul there. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 47-17, 4 minutes and 1 second remaining only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here inside the ADNU de NAGA University Gymnasium. After the timeout called by the NPS Saints, 4 minutes and 1 second here. In the second quarter, Panthers still in the lead here. Siyempre, shoutout natin dito, isa sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa Bucal, our very own cameraman, Marniela Berido.
Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Morales. They're taking their time now. Jersey number 2, Yamado. 10 seconds to shoot here. Bermejo again for 3. No good.
Leticio gets that. Loose ball. NPS Saints now in foul trouble. Siyempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating media partner, One Media TV 48 NAGA, for making this live coverage possible. And also, si Sir J.M. Jacob, the station manager, Mama Irene Tosok, technical director, engineer R.J. Rebedorial, cameraman, Jameson Brenya, James Angelo Gabarda, Kim Monteroso, at si Ma'am Jan Naila Basales.
Now, NPS Saints Morales to inbound. Passes to Batangas. Batangas now. Medyo nahihirapan sa depensa ng ating Annunciation Panthers. But Morales passes to Bermejo. No good. Offensive rebound. Yambalo for that point.
Long pass again by Leticio to Tamayo. Tamayo, layup. It's good.
Napakaganda ng mga puntos na naigagawa dito ng Annunciation Panthers and the communication inside the hardcourt. As now, Morales stopping on the line. A turnover.
Substitutions here for the Panthers.
Now, still ball possession of the NPS Saints. Morales. Passes here to Batangas. Mid-range jumper. No good. Offensive rebound. Morales again. Tries for a long 2. No good.
Bunzo now. On the offense. Layup. Misses it. Likup. Passes to Laila. Inside pass. Bulacan. No good on that fadeaway shot. Likup. Heavily guarded here. Double team ng Saints.
Now Morales nagmamadali for the NPS Saints. A layup to get a point. No good. Defensive rebound. Batangas tries for 3. Still misses it.
Guerrero gets that defensive rebound. Miscue there. passes it out of bounds. Ball possession ng NPS Saints.
Now, Batangas, 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Morales. Now, offensive rebound. May kasama pang foul. So this chance for a 3-point play para dito kay Bermejo again. Will be on the free throw line for a bonus point. This is a 30-point lead. The biggest lead of the Annunciation Panthers for this matchup. Now Bermejo for a 3-point opportunity. No good. Offensive rebound. Now Yamado. Ball possession na ngayon ng Panthers.
Panthers now on the offense, Bulacan. Pero, tatawagan siya dito ng traveling violation, and traveling is more fun with NAGA yung Traveling Tours. NAGA yung Live Your Dreams, Create Memories.
Now ball possession of the Paints or the Saints. 51-21, a minute and 55 seconds remaining. Now Morales. Passes to Yamado. To Batangas. 12 seconds to shoot here. Batangas. Long two. No good.
Laila gets that long pass. Extra pass to Bulacan. Again, traveling violation called to him, and traveling is more fun with NAGA yung Traveling Tours. NAGA yung Live Your Dreams, Create Memories.
Now chance for the NPS Saints to lessen the gap here. As Yamado handling the ball. Pass to Morales. Batangas ngayon ang gagawa ng paraan dito. Bermeo for 3. No good.
Laila gets that defensive rebound. Pass intercepted by the Saints. Ball possession. Balik ulit sa Panthers. Likop passes it to the open man, Laila. Inside pass, miscommunication there. That's going to be NPS Saints ball.
Now last 58 seconds remaining on our first half. Yamado to Bermejo. 51-21, still a 30-point lead here of the Panthers. Morales to Batangas. 13 seconds to shoot here. So still trying to get a point. Now Morales tries for 3. Misses it.
Laila passes to Bulacan. Again, miscommunication there by the Panthers. All the Saints have to do here is to take advantage of unforced errors of the Panthers and to create a good basket. One basket at a time here for the Saints.
Yan nga, medyo napaparami na nga dito ang turnover ng ating Annunciation Panthers. But now Morales. They have the chance here to get a point. Morales again. No good.
Bulacan gets that rebound. Likup. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock is off. Likup gets that steal. No good there by Likup. That's going to be the end of our second quarter. 51-21 in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Ipista ba? BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
Back live here inside the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium. You're still joined alongside with me, the voice of PCCL South Luzon Championship and Regional Qualifying Tournament, Christine Reyes. And you're still with me, LA Lapid. And Annunciation gets that 2 points. Ball possession. Balik sa side ng Panthers. Siyempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating sponsors. We have Havaianas Bigs at Elite Sportswear. Now, Panthers passes to Bulacan. No good there.
Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Batangas. A layup. That's good. A very good way to start our third quarter now.
Laila. Panthers passes to Guerrero. Pero, 2 free throws. Dito, ibibigay kay Guerrero. And also, halftime analysis tayo mga kaibigan. Panthers versus the NPS. Nagtapos ang ating second quarter. 21-51 ang score. 20 out of 46 on 2 points attempt. And 6 out of 19 for the NPS Saints. 43% shot. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NPS Saints, tawagin natin si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Eliantin, as we enter the third quarter, the Saints will most likely increase their screen movement and take their last game seriously. Their coach reminded them of their game plan during the Bucal, wherein they performed better. They suggested that the Saints starts dribbling less and increase their defensive play, as they are trying to always be alert and be mentally active when it comes to looking for an open man. They're not losing hope, for they will manage to keep on fighting until the last drop of their sweat. Yan ang updates ko dito sa side ng Saints. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, hindi pa rin nabawala ng pag-asa itong ating NPS Saints to get a win here and of course to enjoy the ball game against the Annunciation Panthers. But now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Parma with the ball. Passes to Bermejo. Now Bermejo taking a step here.
Pass it to the wrong man. Now the Panthers on the offense, Laila. Passes to Bulacan. Bulacan will go inside. Spins, pero offensive foul dito. Medyo napalakas yung motion ng elbow dito ni Bulacan na tumama kay Parma.
Now ball possession of the NPS Saints here. 56-23. Now Parma to inbound. Passes to Batangas. Now 56-23. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lloyds. Hi Lloyds, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Teen and LA. Still ahead of their opponent, the Annunciation Panthers entered the second quarter more fearsome than ever. However, Coach Nave reminded the team to not be complacent. Indeed, we are only at the first half of the game. The Panthers must hustle and continue to implement their system with more grit and passion. Moreover, the team is expected to strengthen their defense and box out their opponents. Furthermore, Coach Nave reminded the Panthers to do the hard work in the hard court and prove that they deserve the spot in the quarterfinals. That is all for the second quarter updates. Back to you, Tin and LA.
Thank you so much, Lois, for that update aside the Panthers. Good advice there by the coach of the Panthers to stay consistent despite having a big lead here. And especially the box out defense of the Panthers, especially when getting a rebound. And Diaz gets that first free throw. 8 minutes and 4 seconds in this third quarter. Second free throw for Diaz. No good.
Now Batangas. Passes to Bermejo now. Morales ngayon ang gagawa ng paraan dito sa NPS Saints. On the inside. But that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Panthers now on the offense. Likop. Guarded here by Parma. Likop. Followed by Parma. Diaz. Tatawagan siya dito ng traveling violation. And traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. Parma. 20 seconds to shoot. Morales. Still on the lead ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Passes to Bermejo. Back to Palma. Now Morales with 10 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3. No good.
Panthers now on the offense. Diaz. That's good for Bunzo.
59-23. Napakalaking kalamangan po ng Annunciation Panthers. But now, Morales with the ball for the NPS Saints. Passes to jersey number 3, Mendoza. A layup. Still no good. A second chance point. Brought to you by Bermejo.
Laila of the Panthers. Guarded here by Batangas. Laila gets away with it and gets that floater shot to go in. NPS Saints.
Now Mendoza. 21 seconds to shoot here. Bermejo Great pass for Batangas. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 61-27. 6 minutes and 11 seconds remaining only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here inside the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium for the third quarter between the matchup of the Annunciation Panthers and the NPS Saints. Napapadami na dito yung violations and unforced errors committed by the Panthers. And now, they have to especially create efforts to minimize their errors. Panthers on the offense. Laila guarded here by Parma. Humingi siya nandito. Ang screen kay Diaz. 2 free throws ibibigay dito. The jersey number 19. Laila. First basket's no good for Laila. Laila gets that free throw to go in.
Now NPS Saints with a chance here to lessen the gap. Batangas. Passes to the wrong man. Nagmamadali ngayon dito ang Annunciation Panthers.
Diaz. Back to Laila. 3-pointer. No good. Pero loose ball foul ito tawag dito sa Panthers.
Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. 5 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 62-27. Parma passes to Morales. Morales now taking their time here. Bermejo. On the corner. Parma. Still a miscommunication on the inside. Turnover for the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Panthers now on the offense. Laila looking for the open man. Passes it to Bunzo. Kuha siya dito ni Bermejo. But Bunzo, may foul dito. Ito tawag ang ating referee. The jersey number 7 of the NPS Saints, Morales. Bunzo will step on the free throw line for 2 free throws. Shoutout natin dito ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Mamaya, maabangan nyo ulit siya sa laban ng UNC at ng NCF Tigers. Pero, may review dito ang ating referees on what happened during that sequence a while ago. The Panthers going for a bit of a run here as they are escaping against the NPS Saints. The Annunciation Panthers and the NPS Saints really know what is at stake here. It is a spot in the quarterfinals, the knockout stages. And brief history about the Annunciation Panthers. The Panthers stepped in the Final Four but fell short against their match against the NCF Cubs, the defending champions. Pero sa battle for third, They faced the UNC Greyhounds, but they also fell short there, and the UNC Greyhounds was named as the third placer during the Bucal season for juniors division basketball. Lee Coop will try his second free throw. It's good.
Now NPS Saints ball. Parma. Passes to Bermejo. A steal by the Panthers. Pero walang puntos yun. The ball will stay on the side of the Panthers.
Panthers now on the offense. Bulacan passes it to Bunzo. Double teamed here. Diaz for that layup. That's good.
Now, 65-27, the widest gap of the Annunciation Panthers to the NPS Saints. Now Morales handling the ball for the NPS Saints. Last 4 minutes. Morales, but a steal again on the side of the Annunciation. Bunzo for a layup. Another point was committed on them. Napatawag na nga po ng timeout ang ating NPS Saints. 67-27. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami.
We're back live here inside the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Still Panthers in the lead against the NPS Saints.
Now ball possession of the Saints. Morales to inbound. Passes to Mendoza. Now to Parma. Another steal by the Panthers and a layup. Pero that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now still, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Morales. 20 seconds to shoot here. Morales ngayon. Pasa dyan kay Bermejo. Morales. Still, the NPS Saints nahihirapan dito to connect with each other. 6 seconds to shoot. Morales, anong gagawin dito? Passes to Parma. A steal by the Panthers.
Laila, no good there. Great recovery by Bunzo for 2 points, extending the lead to 42 points.
Steal again of the Panthers. Napakaganda nun mula kay Bunzo. Now, NPS Saints. The ball will go on the side of the NPS Saints. Morales nagmamadali dito. On the inside, steal again for the Panthers.
Laila, solo here, gets that 2-pointer.
Mabilis ang puntos na dito ang ginagawa ng Annunciation Panthers. Parma ngayon. Passes to Bermejo. Morales tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito. Parma, mid-range jumper. This time, pasok ngayon.
Long pass here by the Panthers. Miscommunication there, but ball will go on the side of the NPS Saints.
Now, NPS Saints with the ball possession. Two minutes and 34 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now Mendoza with the ball. Natawagan nga dyan ng foul. Still ball possession of the NPS Saints here. Mendoza passes to jersey number 23, Norberto. Medyo nahihirapan sila dito. Yamado, no good.
Panthers on the offense. Hard fall there by Tamayo. Jestre gets that defensive rebound. Ball possession, mapupunta pa din sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. Panthers in penalty situation here. First free throw by Jestre. That's good. No good for his second free throw. Tamayo doesn't go in. Puhol. Traveling violation. Itinawag dito kay Puhol, and traveling is more fun with Naga and Travel and Tours. Naga yon, live your dreams, create memories.
Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. Liamado passes to Bermejo. Now Liamado with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot here. Mendoza passes again to Bermejo. A quick three. Ooh, the ball stuck. Not a ring.
A wedgie ball by the NPS Saints. It's the first time we have witnessed a wedgie ball in Bucal. Panthers on the offense. Long pass to Detisho. Puhol. Back to Detisho. Floater shot. That's good.
An effortless point para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, ball possession niya ng ating NPS Saints. 76-29. A minute and 31 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now,
ball possession mapupunta sa side ng NPS Saints.
Norberto with the ball. Minute and 20 seconds. Steal again. Pero that's an 8 seconds violation ng NPS Saints. Turnover for the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Detisho will inbound the ball for the Panthers. Jestre, pull-up jumper, that's good for Jestre. 1 minute and 5 seconds here. In this third quarter, Saints on the offense. Bermejo, miscommunication there. Long pass by the Panthers. Tamayo, libreng-libre, layup, it's good. Saints on the offense. Bermejo.
Now to Norberto, back to Bermejo. Mendoza, no good.
NPS Saints on the offense. Norberto, floater shot. It's good for Norberto. 30 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Layup doesn't go in for the Panthers.
Na nagmamadali dito, Yamado to Bermejo. Still no good. Yamado again for that one. This time, naipasok ko nila yan.
Detisho passes it to jersey number 7. Herrera, pero ball possession ng NPS Saints. Rather, of the Annunciation Panthers. Herrera gets that inbound play from Detisho. Basket's good for Detisho. That's gonna be it for our third quarter. 82-33 in favor of the Panthers. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Bucal Season 5 at live pa rin tayong napapanood dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Panthers on a 49-point lead here as the Panthers now will inbound the ball. Likop to Bulacan. Inside pero ball possession mapupunta sa NPS Saints.
Now, Batangas passes to Parma now. 9 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. Morales. This is the last quarter to regain the momentum for the side of the NPS Saints and to lessen the gap against the Annunciation Panthers. Now, no good for Valenzuela.
Panthers on the offense. Laila passes it to the inside man. Bulacan for 2 points.
Now Parma to inbound. Long pass here. Let's see, Batangas for a layup, no good.
Herrera secures that possession. Or Guerrero rather. Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 7, Morales of the NPS Saints. Laila passes it to jersey number 2, Likop. No good.
Now Batangas nagmamadali dito. Passes on the corner for Morales. Step back, no good. Offensive rebound. Valenzuela. Long 2. That's good.
Siyempre, para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NPS Saints, tawagin natin si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
Alayantin, this will be the last quarter for this game. Saints are trying to be more physical and tough as they are trying to box out immediately after an attempt has been made and increase their defensive mechanism once again. But before this quarter ends, their coaches would like to thank the Bucal community for their heartwarming welcome to our fellow Saints. They said that if ever they are not able to manage to get through today, they will make sure that they improve and do their best next season. Let's get back to the fourth quarter. They will make most of the last 10 minutes they have and retrieve their points 2 points at a time. Yun lamang updates ko dito sa side ng Saints. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan pa rin, positive pa rin itong ating NPS Saints even though they know that the Annunciation Panthers will get the win because this is a great experience for them. Sabi nga dito ni Coach Reyes, makasali ka lang sa Bucal, napakalaki ng presteryoso at pribilehiyo ang maibibigay sa iyo. Of course, to showcase your talent in basketball. And we really salute the NPS Saints for giving us a great fight. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Annunciation Panthers, tawagin natin si Lois. Hi Lois, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Teen and LA. The Panthers are indeed eager to secure a fierce win They are capitalizing on their team chemistry and a man-to-man defense, guarding every position to hinder their opponent from securing the basket. So far, the team has displayed a good game with a ferocious offense and a strong will to enter the quarterfinals. That is all for the third quarter updates. Back to you, Tina and LA.
Thank you so much, Lois, for that update sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. At the Panthers really going for the run here and will be, I think, going home with a win. Pero medyo mahaba pa itong laro natin. 7 minutes and 8 seconds in this fourth quarter. Saints gets that offensive rebound, pero Bulacan, nabitawan dito ni Bulacan, passes to Guerrero. May foul dito, itinawag kay Batangas. Bunzo passes it, no good. Offensive rebound by Likop. Again, offensive rebound. Ball possession mapupunta ngayon sa NPS Saints.
6 minutes and 46 seconds remaining on our last quarter. Now Morales handling the ball for the NPS Saints. Still, they're giving their best on this last quarter. Parma now with the ball. Passes to Batangas. 10 seconds to shoot here. Parma. Now he will go inside. No good.
Defensive rebound there by Bulacan. Laila, long pass to Jestre. For that layup, it's good.
Now, ball possession of the NPS Saints. Passes to Morales, heavily guarded here. But the ball will go on the same side, the NPS Saints. Now Morales to inbound. Para ngayon, magtatawid ang bola para sa ating NPS Saints. 88-37 on our scoreboard. A very big gap between these two teams. Now Morales. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Batangas. Loses the ball.
Punzo. Layup, it's good to bring their lead to 53 points.
Now, 5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Morales, a steal again by the Panthers. May kasama pa yung foul.
3-point play opportunity here for Bunzo. Looking to extend their lead to 56 points. Three-point play opportunity for Bunzo. Doesn't go in. Gets his own miss. Bunzo. No good. To the corner. Laila. Three-pointer. In and out. Get there by Likop. Again. Jestre gets that two-pointer.
Now ball possession of the NPS Saints. Batangas. Still ball possession niya ng ating NPS Saints. Grabe yung pinapakitang depensa dito sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. They're still on a game mode now, even though they are on the lead. Now Yamado. 23 on the shot clock. Passes to Bermejo now. 94-37. What will they do now? Morales. Medyo nahihirapan dito to execute the play. Loses ball.
Laila with that layup. Offensive foul. Itinawag dito kay Laila. On his way to the basket.
Now this would be the ball possession of the NPS Saints. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. course, we would like to thank our dearest sponsors, the Bigs, Elite Sportswear, and the Aveanas. Maraming salamat po. But now, ball game, Batangas for the NPS Saints passes here. Now Batangas again. Tries on the inside. But that's a traveling violation brought to you by NAGA Travel and Tours. NAGA, live your dreams, create memories. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ng Annunciation Panthers. 94-37 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back inside here for our fourth quarter. Live pa din, napapanood sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. At mamaya po mga kaibigan, abangan nyo ang bakbakan ng ACLC Hawks versus the Shepherdville College Junior Rams. Wherein the Shepherdville Rams still undefeated. At makikipagbakbakan sila dito against the number 2 seed, the ACLC Hawks. Number 1 spot up for grabs and the quarterfinals ticket up for grabs. That's good for jersey number 10, Jestre.
Yan, napakaganda ng communication sa loob ng hardcourt itong Annunciation Panthers. But now, again, still another for the Annunciation. A second chance point. May kasama pa yung foul. Napakagandang performance galing dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. But now, Likop on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity.
Gets their own miss. Pero, nahirapan dito ang Panthers sa depensa ng Saints. Jestre finally gets that basket.
No. Batangas. Double team here. Back to Batangas. On the inside. But there's a whistled foul there. Batangas will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. First shot, that's good. Napatawag nga ng timeout dyan ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live inside here, the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 3 minutes and 25 seconds in our fourth quarter. Annunciation Panthers still in the lead with 61 points. And Panthers ball. Bunzo guarded here by Morales. Bunzo.
No chance for the NPS Saints as Batangas got that ball. Mid-range jumper, no good.
Jestre. Laila. Guarded here by Morales. Laila to Guerrero. Hook shot, no good.
Now, NPS Saints, 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining here on our last quarter. Abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating third game. It's the ACLC Hawks versus the Shepherdville Rams. Now, Yamado passes to Morales. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Batangas. Now, mid-range jumper. In and out ball.
Panthers on the offense. Jersey number 28, Bunzo. Pass to Guerrero. In and out. Good ball recovery by Bunzo. Jestre passes to Likop. 3-pointer. In and out. Jestre, extra pass to Guerrero. Likop blocked there by the Saints. Panthers on the offense here as Laila will inbound the ball. Passes to the open man. Bunzo will go inside. Layup. It's good.
Now, NPS Saints ball. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Norberto passes here. No good.
Basket's good by Bunzo.
Now, 106 and 39. Bago magtapos ang laban na ito. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining. Now, tries for 3. No good.
I think it's safe to say now that the Annunciation Panthers have booked their ticket to the quarterfinals, the knockout stages of Bucal Season 5 as Guerrero will get that 2-pointer.
Yes, they're celebrating now. Napatawag pa nga ng timeout dyan ng ating NPS Saints. 106 and 39 sa ating scoreboard. 59 seconds remaining para sa ating last quarter.
Siyempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions. Gold Glopa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience, Home Living. Anjena Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEG Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Mangkok's Kinalas, Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Filipina Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. NCF V Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing. Tigers Cafe, located at NCF Main and NCF Annex. NCF Indoor Fighting Range, first world-class indoor fighting range in Bicol Region. SM City Naga, NCF Training Pool. At NCF Driving School, we also have the Havaianas Pigs at Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa Bucal Season 5.
Now, 8 seconds remaining para dito sa NPS Saints. Mendoza tries, and that's good.
Panthers now on the offense. Long pass by Laila to Guerrero. Pero Guerrero doesn't get the hold of it. At kaya mapupunta ang ball possession sa NPS Saints.
Now, 40 seconds remaining here. Passes on the corner. Now, on the inside, medyo nahihirapan dito sa depensa ng Annunciation Panthers. Asor to Mendoza. Now, Mendoza, 9 seconds to shoot here. Tries for 3. No good.
Shot clock is off dito. Fourth quarter. Guerrero. That's good for Guerrero. Despite being guarded by Liamado.
Now, 7 seconds remaining, and I think we can say with a score of 110 and 41, the Annunciation Panthers get their another win against the NPS Saints, ending the game with 110 to 41. Mamaya po aabangan natin kung sino nga ba ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Thank you, TN and LA. The best player of the game is brought to you by NAGA College Foundation Wings, because Tigers can have wings. This marks the end of the edge of the seat game between the Annunciation Panthers and the NTF Saints. And finally, the mighty Panthers are bound for the quarterfinals. The Annunciation Junior Panthers really proved that they are worthy of their name. A fierce and strong opponent prepared to show their fearsome fangs and defend the pride of a claw of Panthers. They have consistently shown their perseverance to leave a strong impression and manifest non-stop wins for their community. Let us now welcome the key to Annunciation's win with 15 points, 15 rebounds, 2 assists, 5 steals, none other than jersey number 10, Gestre. Good afternoon, Gestre. This is an essential game to secure your spot in the quarterfinals. How did you prepare for this game?
Puro practice lang po. Pero nag-attend sa practice, tapos go hard palagi. Tapos kung sabihin ni coach, yun ang sinusunod namin.
We are only days away from the quarterfinals. The big question is, are you ready to show everything you've got? And what should we expect from you on your succeeding games? May expect mo sa iyo sa
Paghahanda na lang po namin ng mga kalaban namin, tapos ipapakita po namin kung anong hindi mo namin sa practice. Yun na po.
This is your chance to beat your thanks or shoutouts and invite your fans to your next game in the quarterfinals. So, Gestre, the floor is yours. Invite mo sila.
Sinashoutout ko si Mama na palagi sa akin sumusuporta, tapos si Papa and yung mga pinsan ko dyan sa Sorsogon. Sana suportahan niyo ako sa paparating naming laban next week. Yun na po.
Thank you so much, Gestre. Indeed, hard work, practice, and perseverance is needed to win this game. Once again, this has been Lois Papa from Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 10, Jory Jastre with 15 points, 15 rebounds, 2 assists, and 5 steals. A great game to end this match-up of the NAGA Panthers and the NPS Saints LA.
Congratulations also to the NPS Saints, especially despite having new coach. They still showed their best and proved that they have the fighting spirit of the Saints. But that's gonna do it for now. At susunod na bakbakan is the ACLC Hawks versus their Shepherdville Junior Rams. Dito lang yan sa Bucal Season 5. Ako si L.A. Lapid.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes, only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.